Rupa, actually, I can remember that before BIA, uh, like I was not sure, whether I would be able to do this. As you know, I actually took a break. When I was working and I took a break, I was getting a lot of overwhelming. I was not consistent. I was not sure, what I need to do. I always knew that I need a coach who can help me out with this. And you already know my story that I was not feeling like sharing everything with my coach who was a man, and I could not actually connect with him that way. So that after that, I had this thought that I will connect with you, but it also took more time because I was into that phase of overwhelming and all those things. And yes, then I actually came into the program BIA, and I saw that earlier, because I was not doing anything, maybe I was not regular, consistent, and all those things. Because of that, so many things were lacking, and so many things were not coming up. As a business owner, I was actually not able to work on my business, and I was just doing a superficial kind of work and giving myself a satisfaction. Nay, I am doing something. There were no clients, of course, because I was not able to do that kind of, systematic work, which I feel that I started with you. So I think systems have improved a lot because of lead generation. I got to know about lead, how to capture, starting from, how to create the lead magnet till how to capture them and how I can actually nurture them with the emails and all. So this has, this was always there in my mind because I have a lot of knowledge, but I could not do it because, technical thing. And then I was always worried that if I do this, whether I'll be able to do that. Not only this, but actually I built my own website, which I was not at all sure that I could do it. And so much of technical things now me kadis ki confident noti, but God's grace and I think law of attraction, everything came, every step was in front of me, like it was coming ahead. And that is something is very, very nicely, it came through with BIA, I think. And along with that, social media presence, of course, because of consistency and creating the content related to my business. Because earlier I was not just, I was not in that zone only. And I understood what is the content, how to create the content, how to attract the leads with your content, like hook, problem, solution, which worked for me. Also the videos, because with you 2020 I started with video challenge, and this challenge has given me a lot of confidence. I was not that confident, I was shivering when I took the camera first time, but now I'm very confident. Like I just need the peace, like I need the silence, and I can shoot it. Today though I shot a video in the on the road. So
Oh my
you
God.
need to see that video and I'm speaking in the video. So I'm very, I feel so good about it because looking at my progress, looking at my communication skills also, because I have to express myself. So those things are also, I'm finding a difference in me. Like I can realize that I'm making a difference. Along with that, of course, clients. I am getting inquiries. I am getting client. I have currently two paid clients on subscription, monthly subscription, and I am able to, because of the systems, I'm able to track everything what I'm doing, starting from like whatever I'm doing for content. Like I know what I'm doing on the daily basis.
True.
Apart from it, I think lead generation activities, what you suggested us. I was not sure. Like I was mixing it up. It was not coming very clearly to me, like how and from where actually I will get the income. So you, for me, you made it very clear that this is the thing that is getting on the calls. Though I'm not doing it 100%, but yes, I know because I have the tracker. I know that this I need to work upon, I need to talk, and that thing is always there at the end of the day, that how many clients did you talk? you know,
And this is
one,
on a daily
two.
basis.
Yeah, this is on the daily basis. One, two, Karuna, you need to increase it to 5, 10. This is so less. So that thing is happening that I can see that I have time to do it, because the overwhelm is not there and systems are there. I'm no more feeling that kind of thing that I'm over stressing myself. I'm very clear what I need to do on one day. And you'll not believe that I'm working on only one content per day, one day prior. Actually, I'm not able to schedule everything, on holidays, but I do one day prior. And one day prior, if it is possible for me, then I do it, and schedule it. So that scheduling thing has helped me a lot and it is giving me a lot of free time. All these things, I always wanted to be an author like you. I always heard Rupa
And what
said,
happened
I'm an
about you?
author. I started writing, I created an ebook.
And now
So,
you are an author. You
yeah,
are a published author. Ebook
I
is a
am.
book.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you so
So
much.
you have got your first two clients.
Yeah, yeah.
You got the first two clients, paid clients. In how many from how many months or how many weeks did it take for you from the time you started working, started implementing what we have discussed?
I think within 2 months.
Perfect.
2 months, yeah.
And that is you taking it at your own pace.
Yes, yes.
Lovely. And so you have got your first two paid clients within 2 months. You also have published your ebook, of course, your website.
I'm planning to create some more, content on ebook and all because I want to put it on my website so that it becomes a lead magnet. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
And you have your own tribe. You are nurturing them even through your own tribe, and you have your own system.
and the most important thing, Rupa, I'm creating my own app also.
Ooh,
I want
look
to
at
do that
that.
because my target audience is actually really not very free to, come up here. And what I felt is app is something which everyone has in the hand, can be really very convenient for my target audience. Just to pick up and put the update, whether they had water, whether they had food, what did they have, all those things. So I'm just working on it. Of course, it will take time, but I have started investing on it.
I could hear, and I'm so proud of you. And every time when you talk about your target audience, there is this feeling of, they are mine. I need to take care of them. I need to serve them. If not me, then who? So tell me what made you get so much of clarity about your target?
I can feel them because I am one of them actually.
Yes.
And that's why I can feel them and I feel so much. I don't know why I get tears in my eyes, but I can feel the pain what they are going through and that they can't even see that pain because they don't know where they are landing up with this increasing weight post pregnancy, what we say, anger, negative thoughts, all you know like they are very much disturbed in their life. Actually they don't understand that. They feel they are living very normal kind of life. I want them to understand that now you are a mom, and you have created lives, and then how you should be. I want to teach them that, along with the of course health benefits, but it is not only about physical health, mental, emotional, spiritual, and also physical. Yes.
How lovely. And how long did it take for you to understand so much about your ideal buyer?
Actually, I think after BIA, I started getting more connected because ideal buyer, I knew that this is my ideal buyer, but I didn't knew, how to approach or how to reach them or how to, target them. I didn't knew
Where to
which,
target them?
yeah, where they are, hanging out, which you always ask me, and that is something which, uh, you know, uh, always puts my mind on. ये कि I don't know how to find out, but still, I think social media is something which because they want to relieve their stress, they are on social media. I can see all the moms, working moms out there, and because of the COVID thing, everyone is there. So I can see a
Beautiful.
lot of people there. Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm super happy about the progress that you have made, the website that you have created, the first few paid clients that you have got, and you already have a daily tracker. And you talked about it, how diligent, and this is one of the requirements for us to work on, right? Where you work on a daily tracker. And how has that daily tracker helped you?
Daily tracker is helping me basically by telling me that this is the thing what I need to work. I don't focus on anything else other than that activity, and I know that if I do this 100%, I understand that I am going to attract my target audience if I do that 100%. And what I realized, because after starting BIA, I started learning more on content. So I have improvised on my content also, and I'm trying to improve further, so that I am not just creating the content, but I just want to touch my target audience heart, so that they feel me, they feel how important it is for them to take care of themselves. So self care is something which I can't talk more about it, but I can make them understand with the coaching and the of course the courses which I have added on my website. uh, I am still in the process of improvising on it, but I am still done with 2 to 3 courses. I'm done there, especially for working moms.
Yes.
So
And all
yeah.
this progress just in this last couple of months.
Yes.
I'm super happy, super proud of you. And I can only see two very important things. One is you having your heart in what you're doing. You know the importance of
Yeah.
the impact that this
Yeah,
can
and
cause.
what I can feel is it's not it has not remained an passion, it has
Exactly.
gone above that. I don't feel stressed. I love to do this. So it's like an obsession. You want to do it, and you want to do it more and more, more and more, till you actually create results for yourself. So I think that thing is what I'm realizing with the self reflections, what I'm doing.
Beautiful. So, how do you see to 2023 panning?
A lot of income.
Exactly. And that is what the name of the program is, right? Business Income Accelerator Plus. And this is, we are not even done with the program. The best part of the program is yet to come.
Yeah.
It's just a the mid program review. And I'm super happy with what has achieved. And you also started a podcast, you said?
Yes, I did not say it here. Yeah, I've also started podcast because I felt that maybe I cannot come on the videos all the time, but there are some more important things like how to go step by step, and this podcast would help me to put my content step by step. So that's what in like motivated me to do this. So I'm starting it with this, and if someone comes to me, I can tell them that listen to my podcast.
Yes. Wow, I'm super proud of you. So, will it be right to say that in just this few months, we are not even halfway of this year, just in this few months, will it be right to say that you have achieved more with your business
Actually, yeah.
than in the last couple of years?
Yes, yes.
High
Thank
five.
you so much.
Thank you for implementing. Thank you for taking those systems seriously. Thank you for going ahead and implementing what we discussed and agreed upon. So it is you. And I just want you to be aware that all thanks goes to you. I was just a medium. And this is why, like you, serving is not anymore my passion. It has become my mission. Because I know that if I do these things right, it would mean the first paid client for somebody. It would mean, the first book for somebody, first podcast for somebody, first interview for somebody, first media appearance for somebody. And that suddenly becomes my responsibility, just the way it is now. It is your responsibility to help those new moms. So
Yes.
fantastic. I'm super proud of you. Thank you very much, Karuna. And we're just kind of halfway through BIA Plus. And from this point onwards, it's just the plus part of the BIA. So Let's have fun. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you so much. And I think I did not say about goals, but yes, goals. It has been an experience for me. Whenever I write my goals, I have written it along with you. You told me to write, create a roadmap. I'm not yet finished with that, but I don't know, Rupa. But I always have that feeling that the law of attraction works when you do all these things. Because subconsciously you know that I'm supposed to write, I'm supposed to create a content, I'm supposed to go on my group to give a live, I'm supposed to, so those things are coming up, and of course with the daily tracker it has helped me a lot. And apart from this, I'm also able to manage my second business. Not only this, I have started creating content for my own business, the first business, not the
Fabulous.
own. Yeah, this is the baby, and that's the bigger one.
Lovely. So will it be right to say that whatever you have learned, nobody can take it away from you? Now you know what
Yes,
lead magnet is. Now you know
yes,
what a target audience clarity is. Now you know what a daily tracker is. And even if you start 6 other businesses, it's going to be the same. The basics of the business stays the same over the couple of years, not now, not now. But great. I'm super proud, super happy. And I think I'm super blessed to have been able to serve you on this journey. Can't wait
thank you.
to
Yeah,
see your
thank you
success.
so much.
Thanks to you.